Alright, so this is question 85 on stoichiometry. What mass of PCl3, that's our product, is formed from the reaction of 13 grams of Cl2 with 30 grams of P4 based on the reaction below? So we're given the masses, yeah? Let's convert that to moles. I don't know, just don't like saying masses here. So let's convert that to moles already. 13 grams of Cl2, right? And 30 of this other one. So we're going to divide by the molar mass. The molar mass of Cl is 35.5. So times 2 for Cl2 is going to be 35.5 times 2. I'm doing that because this is Cl2 and each Cl is 35.5. That's the relative atomic mass, okay? So that's why I have that. Then for P4, it's going to be 4 multiplied by whatever phosphorus is. That 31. Yeah, 31. Okay, so you see that? Now, what would that give us? Would have 0.183 for this one. And when you divide this other one, you should have 0.2419. All right, so these are the moles of these two reactants given to us. And then we are asked to calculate the mass of PCl3 that will be formed. Let's just do this on the side. What's the molar mass of PCl3? Phosphorus is 31, and then 3 times chlorine is 35.5. So you should solve all that. You probably have 137.5 grams per mole. Okay, so let's keep that aside. Now, how do we then compare what we want to produce with any of these reactants? How do we do that? We first would figure out which of them is the limiting reagent, then use that to compare with our PCl3. Yeah. So how do we know our limiting reagent? Again, we divide this mole by this number here and divide this one by the number in front of P4, which is 1. So this will just give you 0.2419. Nothing has changed. And when you do that division by 6 there, you should have 0.0305. You notice that I'm not writing moles here because it's a sort of ratio. It's like you're dividing moles by moles. So, right? This is 6 moles. This is 1 mole. So that's why this would not have any units. Okay, so we can now judge that this is the smaller value there, meaning that Cl2 is our limiting reagent. So we have to compare Cl2 and PCl3. Okay, we can see that 6 moles of Cl2 gives us 4 moles of PCl3. Therefore, 0.183 moles, which is available, of Cl2 will then give us, let's say, X, and then we are going to have X as 0.183 divided by 6 and then times 4. Does this make sense to you? Let me know if it makes sense to you. All right, so that's just the amount of PCl3 that we have produced. So all we need to do is the mass would be number of moles multiplied by molar mass, and that would be whatever you get here multiplied by the molar mass. So let's do that real quick. Let's solve that first. That should give us 0.122, 0.122, And when you multiply that by the molar mass, which is here, 137.5, you will get 16.775 grams. And that is the answer. So I'm going to see you on question 46. But before we go, let me let you know that if you had compared P4 with PCl3 like this, you get an answer in moles and then you get an answer in grams. It will not be 16.775. It will not. And it will be wrong too. So, yeah, I'll see you on 86.